Saudi Arabia. I am proud of my state. He has given to a special status of Muslim. There is no people allowed to practice their other religious beliefs.
I come from North Korea and we are living in dictatorship. We are not allowed to visit another country. We are also not allowed to use internet. We are not allowed to complain about our government and we are ashamed on our government.
I am South African and I feel very proud how our leader Nelson Mandela fought for our freedom from whites. We became happy because one day Nelson Mandela became president in 1994 and we got freedom also in 1994 and we were not allowed to go to the bus, train, public transport and we were discriminated by the whites.
Hey, what you are doing in my country?
This is my country.
No, you go away from my country. This is my country and this is Hindu country and here 80% population in my country we have done and you people are very bad.
No, this is our country. Our country. Personalities like Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, APJ Abdul Kalam from our community. They helped in a struggle for freedom of our country and development of country. So this is my country, not you.
No, this is my country. It is Hindu and you go from here.
Hey, wait. Why you both are fighting?
No, this is my country and he is telling me you have to leave this country.
No, this is my country and I should be here.
No, it is India and India is secular country and here there should be no discrimination on the caste or religion. And as you all know about Indian Constitution, fundamental rights and fundamental duties,
yes,
as it give us right to any people to live in India and it can also practice on any religion. And Article 15 also give us right to practice any religion and do job in any parts of the country. And you should not fight and you should always be united. So you please both hug to each other. As you have mentioned that you are from South Africa, so you all people have got freedom, so you should maintain peace and dignity in your country. And as you have told, you are from Saudi Arabia, that it is a Muslim country and developed country, but it is no secular country. As you see, Turkey, more than 90% people are Muslim, but it is also a secular country. And as you mentioned that you are from North Korea, then you are going very in tough time and you should never forget that goodness always gets victory over badness and you should not get ashamed of it and soon you all will get peace and you will get freedom.
Actually, I am Ranjan.
I am Roshanat.
I am Sakshi.
I am Arup. I am Omjindal.
I am Rishabh.
And we all are Indians.
So thanks
Thanks
for
for watching our video.